Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I have a new launch by Mamaearth and it is the Neem Body Scrub. So this Neem Body Scrub, it has Neem and Tulsi in it. So you can see this Neem and Tulsi drawn over here. And this body scrub is for skin purification. We all know that neem is very beneficial for our skin. It has antibacterial properties. It helps in purifying our skin very well. So this body scrub is very beneficial for our skin. And you can see this green mark over here which says that this is a 100% vegetarian product. And this is also Paraben and Sls free and dermatologically tested and antibacterial, and it comes for rupees 499, which means almost rupees 500, and the shelf life is for 2 years. This is a 200-gram tub and right now only one size is available, and it comes like this only. I mean, it does not have any outer packaging to it. So this is the only packaging which you get. So on the tub you can get all the other details regarding the product also. This is a make in India product and is also cruelty free. And here all the ingredient list is mentioned. If you want you can pause the video and read the ingredient list. And this is all the details regarding this product. And it comes like this. It has this aluminum foil covering here. Let me take out this, and this is how it looks like. It has a light green, very creamy texture and light green color to it. First I thought this as a coriander chutney. It just has the same texture. It's very creamy texture and you won't feel that it's harsh on your skin. It's very creamy. So this is the texture of this scrub. You can see it's very creamy. So if you are thinking that due to neem it will have some strong fragrance to it, so it does not have any strong fragrance. The fragrance is mild and fresh type of fragrance. So it's a good fragrance, not a bad one, and it has the scrub particles which are medium in size, not too big but medium in size. So please be very gentle while scrubbing on your skin. Otherwise, it may cause you micro tears on your skin. Do not put any pressure while scrubbing on your body parts. Just be very gentle with low pressure. Just scrub. Otherwise, it will be harmful for your skin. And this body scrub can be used by both men and women. And this is a body scrub. Please do not use this on your face. This is not a face scrub. Do not use it on your face. This is just for your body parts, and this is for all skin types. All skin type people can use this, both men and women, and you can use this twice a week, not more than that. So this body scrub, it exfoliates your skin very well. It takes away all the dead skin from your body parts and gives them a nice glow. It makes your skin soft and supple. So I feel the end result which I get after using this. To use this, just apply it on your body parts, on your hands, on your feet, and just rub it in a circular motion and then just rinse it off. And after using this, you can use the shower gel or the soap which you use. So as for me, this is a good product by Mamaearth. You can try this product if you want to try. So this was all about the Neem Body Scrub by Mamaearth. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.